Today, we are going to discuss the OW Bank up to 20 crore loan against property. Eligibility criteria. The loan is available to both salaried and self-employed individuals aged between 21 and 65 years. Applicants must have a CIBIL score of at least 650. Loan criteria. Eligible applicants can avail of loan amounts ranging from 10 lakh rupees to 20 crore rupees with a tenure of 3 to 15 years. The rate of interest is between 9% and 12% on a reducing basis. There are no login fees and the turnaround time for processing is 15 days. Insurance charges are determined based on the applicant's age, while foreclosure charges are up to 4%. Processing fees range from 0.50% to 1.50%, and part payment is not permitted. The loan products include fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial or industrial purchase, lease rental discounting, DOD products. The lock-in period is 12 months, and the business vintage requirement for self-employed individuals is 2 years. The unique selling points of this loan include no login fees and LTV up to 100%. This loan is available for properties located within 50 kilometers of a branch. Negative profiles and properties. Certain applicants and properties are ineligible for this loan. These include salaried applicants involved in politician, NBFC, real estate, share traders. Applicants living in dominated areas are also ineligible. Negative property profiles include without map property, leasehold property without PTM, basement, Lal Dora property, legal and technical not clear, gift deed, single sale deed, subject to sale deed, GPA property, farmhouse. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried individuals. Applicants need to submit KYC documents for themselves and co-applicants, the last 3 months' salary slips, and the last 12 months' bank statements for both applicant and co-applicant. Form 16 for the past 2 years, along with the last 3 years' income tax returns with income computation, is also required. Additional documents include 26 as forms for the last 2 years, the appointment letter, if available, the agreement to sale, in purchase cases, and property papers with a complete chain of the last 13 years. Documents such as the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all running loans, the latest utility bill for owned or rented residences, and contact details of 2 references are mandatory. Required documents for self-employed individuals. Applicants need KYC documents for both themselves and co-applicants, along with the last 3 years' income tax returns and tax-audited balance sheets. The last 12 months' bank statements for both the applicant and co-applicant, 26 as forms for the last 2 years, GST registration, MSME registration, and GST returns for the past 12 months must also be provided. Additional requirements include the agreement to sale, in new purchase cases, property papers with a complete chain of the last 13 years, approved property maps, if available, the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all running loans, and a debt sheet. Proof of residence and office, such as the latest utility bills or rent agreements, is mandatory. Other required documents include contact details of 2 references, the last 3 years' debtors and creditors list on letterhead, and a list of directors and shareholders for companies or partners for partnerships LLPs.